Okay.
Yeah, so just take a step that way. That's it. Yeah, it's beautiful. So your mum can come towards the paper. And you're going to take a little step that way. That's it. Yes, beautiful. Okay, ready and go. Very good. Yeah, you're good at this. Your head. Ah, that's nice. I like that quite nice. Yeah. So I'm going to put another pillow there. Put your elbow down. Can you feel it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Do you feel comfortable? You'll be there for a couple of minutes. Okay. And then I'm just going to pull your hair a little bit.
影完相啦，而家就去醫個肚先。呢個係切斯特羅馬圓形劇場，聖公會教堂。我哋嚟到法國餐廳啦！我哋喺英國第一次食呢個法國菜喎。
而家就粟米。
靚牛油嚟㗎呢個，我哋呢個係靚牛。一入去鐵塔嚟喎。鐵塔啊！鐵塔牌啊，好少見㗎，好耐冇見啦。點解呢度環境先？嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟，嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟。我哋嘅主菜到咗啦，有鱸魚，插到咁樣，有一兜蔬菜，呢個紅酒燉牛肉好食，跟住有脆脆豬，
一嚿燒肉。
Enjoy!